Hi. To start with the recipe, first, let's mash our 2 ripe bananas in a large bowl. You want them really well mashed. I like to use a fork for this, pressing and spreading until you get a smooth consistency. You'll know they're ready when you don't see any large chunks remaining. Next, we'll add our 3 eggs to the mashed bananas. Mix them together until well combined. You're looking for a smooth, uniform mixture without any egg streaks. This step helps create that fluffy texture we're after in our pancakes. Now, we'll add half of our 3 cups of Kodiak cakes mix. This gradual addition prevents lumps from forming. Stir it in gently but thoroughly. You want the mixture to be even, but don't overmix. You'll know it's right when the batter looks uniform but still has a few small lumps. Time to add our flavor boosters. 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, and that pinch of salt. These ingredients really take these pancakes to the next level. Mix everything until well combined. The spices should be evenly distributed throughout. Pour in 1 cup of the water and mix. This is where we'll adjust our consistency. Add the remaining 1/4 cup of water gradually until you get the right thickness. You're looking for a batter that's pourable, but still thick enough to hold its shape. Think melted ice cream consistency. Let's get cooking. Heat your skillet over medium heat and give it a good spray with cooking spray. The pan is ready when a few drops of water dance across the surface. If they evaporate immediately, your pan is too hot. By the way, since many of you ask about this non-stick frying pan that I use, after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. Time to make our pancakes. Pour 1/4 cup of batter onto the skillet for each pancake. I like to use a measuring cup for consistency, but a regular ladle works just fine. Leave enough space between pancakes for easy flipping. Watch for bubbles forming on the surface. This is your signal that it's time to flip, usually about 2-3 minutes. The bottom should be golden brown, and when you flip them, they should hold together perfectly. Cook the second side for about the same time. Finally, serve these beauties while they're hot. They're perfect with classic maple syrup, but I love adding fresh fruit, a dollop of Greek yogurt, or even a drizzle of almond butter. The protein-packed recipe means you can really enjoy these without guilt. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one. Bye.